Hello, this is the intro video for physical science during our COVID weeks while everyone's stuck at home. Just want to give you a little bit of intro information, walk you through the general process of how we're going to run these for my class at least, so that you have a good idea of it, and then give you what to look forward to as we go through this. All right, first things first, I've got a check-in quiz, and that quiz is very, very simple, very, very direct. All it is just getting some general information from you about how things are going with you, what's available for you, what's not an option, and then also checking with you so you understand what's going to be you're responsible for, what basic understanding of assessment you're going to be dealing with. The next thing I have there is I also have a chapter forum for you. Okay, the chapter 9 forum is basically where you can ask questions. You can ask questions of me, ask questions of other people. All right, so we can kind of just grow that together so we can figure things out as we need to. I'll try and stay regular on that, but when in doubt, feel free to answer each other's questions as you need to. All right, but that's there for that purpose. All right. The other major thing to note is that you guys right now are working specifically on finishing up your experiment and your write-up for it. All right, at the bottom of the COVID Week 1 section, I moved the experiment write-up sheet so you know exactly what you have to have, exactly what has to be written, and in what format, how much of it has to be there, all the different word counts and everything else are all there for you. And then I also have the turn-in port for it that has been moved there too, the science write-up, okay? That is there and available for you. So that all needs to be turned in by Monday night at 12 p.m., okay? So Monday before the end of the day, that's when it's required, okay? Gave you a little bit more time there, a little bit over the weekend, so we could work it out. If you're having problems or having struggles, feel free to give me a holler if you need to. Feel free to uh, shoot me a message on the email if you need to, but you should be able to take care of this all on your own and get that turned in without any problems. One reminder though is that you're going to want to make sure that you turn it in as either a Windows, a Word file, all right, which is, should say DOC for doc or DOX, or a PDF. Do not put it in as a Pages file. It will not accept it. If you did it in Pages, that's totally fine. You can export it as a document or as a PDF, and it'll accept it that way. Then put it in, okay? Nice and simple. Uh, Other additional things to let you know is that I am, because we were almost done with our chapter, we were literally about to take a test this week. I'm not going to go and start over from the very beginning and give you a bunch of videos to catch up and do all the stuff that we've already dealt with. We've already walked through all that. So what I have done is I went ahead and put a copy of Chapter 9, Teacher's Edition, the actual book, on your Moodle assignment for you. So it's there available just in case, for some reason, someone's having some iPad issues and it's not quite there. You're not able to access your book for some reason, right? Also, what I provided is I put the notes. All the notes that I use, I went ahead and put up there for you. The whole PowerPoint is there. Okay, so you can go ahead and pick up what you need if there's anything you left off, or if perchance you left your notes here, your folder here at school, and you're not going to come and get it, that's totally fine. You now have full access to all the notes as they are, okay? So that's all there and available, and that's the only thing I have set for you for this week, okay? Now, the more important thing is the fact that we're doing these, I'm doing mine over a 2-week period, so I'll have things to help you set up and prepare you for the next week. But you can go ahead and get to the next week's stuff now, and I do suggest some of that. All right. For next week, you've got 3 mastery checks, 9.1, 9.2, and 9.3. Got those up and available for you. All right. I had to use my own personal computer, but I got it all done with. Okay. So you have mastery checks are available for you. You also have a quiz, and then at the end you have a test. Okay. All of those need to be done by the following Monday, all right, on the 30th. Now, again, you can do those as early as this week, right now. They're available for you. So feel free to spread that work out, get it all done with well enough ahead of time. Do not procrastinate till Monday and wait till the end to get it done. That'll cause problems, okay? Also, on that note, to help you understand that, is that in order to open the test up, it will not open up unless you get at least a 60 on all 3 of your mastery checks. So you have to get a 60 on your mastery checks before it'll open up. Now, once you get to 60, that doesn't mean you have to stop. You can keep going and getting higher on those. That's fine. but just wanted to let you know, okay? Now, again, if you have any problems or any questions, feel free to holler at me. All right, I should be posting a number here soon, but wanted down my email. And if it's more specifically about the class or something that somebody else might want to know, unless it's something private for just you, then go ahead and post it there in the forum so that everybody can see it, okay? And we can all discuss it openly. Thank you, and I'll be shooting out some more videos as we go along. All right, see y'all, bye.